Today, I'm going to introduce the production and processing of Noryl resin to you all. Drying time. Noryl resins are one of the lowest moisture absorption rates of engineering thermoplastics. Without drying, residual moisture can cause surface imperfections. It may lead to a decline in flame retardant performance. It is recommended that the drying temperature be controlled within the range of 65 to 115 degrees Celsius. Use a dehumidifier dryer and dry for 2 to 4 hours. Achieves a moisture content of less than 0.02%. 2. Injection molding machine selection. Small quantities of injection molding are performed on a high-capacity injection molding machine. It will increase the residence time of the resin and lead to the degradation of the resin. If you want to inject molding at a higher temperature, it is recommended that the minimum injection volume should be greater than 60% of the capacity of the equipment. 3. Melting temperature. The temperature of the drum heating zone closest to the hopper. It should be set to a lower melting temperature than the recommended melt temperature for the grade being processed. Between 20 and 27 degrees Celsius. The drum temperature profile should be gradually increased to the melting temperature. The spout is set slightly lower. The actual melting temperature is continuously measured. It is best to keep the material in the drum for no more than 4 to 5 minutes. 4. Mold temperature. When the mold temperature is between 65 to 95 degrees Celsius, the result is the best possible appearance and mechanical properties. For low heat and flame retardant grades, the mold surface temperature must be between 65 to 80 degrees Celsius. A uniform mold temperature should be achieved by setting up an appropriate cooling group. 5. Back pressure. 建议使用 0.3 到 0.6 兆帕的背压 to achieve a uniform melting. This also helps to maintain consistency in the amount of injections. The use of higher back pressure improves the mixing of the melt, but it can also lead to higher melting temperatures. When injection molding a reinforced grade of resin, the use of low back pressure can reduce the damage of glass fibers during the plasticizing process. Pay attention to Shanghai Visa and take you to learn more about plastic raw materials.